Hello everyone, we the student of MSBSS are going to show you the working of projector. To project an image on a screen using a projector, we need a lens that can magnify the given object and can form real images. A real image can be projected on a screen while a virtual image cannot be projected on a screen. Basically, a projector is an optical device that can magnify images and obtain them on a screen in the magnified form.
Convex lens has the property of converging light rays incident to it. A convex lens can form both virtual as well as real images. Real images can be obtained on a screen, so we can use a convex lens in configuration in which it produces real images to be used in projecting images in a projector. We also need configurations from a convex lens which can be obtained by placing the object beyond the focus of the lens.
Observe that the image formed is inverted. So to obtain erect images on a projector, the object that is to be magnified must be placed behind the projector by inverting. We are not using a concave lens because of the following reasons. A concave lens forms a virtual image and a virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. A concave lens also forms an image that is positively magnified and the size of the image will be smaller than the original object.
We are going to show you how our projector works. We just have to open it and put our phone inside the stand. We have to put it inverted and adjust the focal length according to the lens. And here is how it looks. Hello everyone, I am Parth Arora and in this project I have contributed in videography, video editing of our project and as well as research about the project and its working. And my fellow teammates Anand Saxena and Pranay Parikh have contributed in collecting of material required for the project and they have also made the project themselves. So yeah.